Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we are canning our peppers. I'm set up out here in the garage. It's better out here than in the house because it gets so steamy and hot in the house. One thing I do in the house is devein peppers, get them cut in half and pack them into jars. And then I'll bring the jars out here and I'll put the brine in them and they'll stay out here on the table until probably tomorrow or something like that, and then I can put them on the shelf. But what we're getting ready to do right now is mix up the brine. The brine is super simple. It's just a gallon of apple cider vinegar, a gallon of distilled water, and 5 to 6 cups of sugar depending on how sweet you want them. And in the jars, you only pack your peppers, put 1 clove of garlic, and a teaspoon of canning salt, and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And that's it. And we don't boil bath these at all because of the amount of sugar that's in the mix. It takes care of any kind of bacteria or anything like that. So let's get started on making this brine. Okay, so what we're going to do first is add almost all this gallon right here. I'm going to leave a little bit in here. So let's put this in the pot. We'll go ahead and dump it in there. Last year, this doesn't quite take both gallons, so we're going to hold a little bit back. All right. So we left probably, I don't know, maybe 16 ounces in there. We'll go ahead and put the apple cider vinegar in here. Okay. That was a little more than that. We'll go a little more than that. That's good. Okay, now we'll get our sugar. Like I said, I think this year I might do 6 cups in this batch, just to up the sweetness in it. It's not real sweet, but it'll take the bite out of the vinegar. Sorry.
Thought I blew up.
There's one. Two. Three. Four. 5. One more. Normally I do 5, but they were a little bit too vinegary last year, so we'll go 6. Now basically you just got to keep stirring this until the sugar is dissolved and it comes to a boil. While she's doing that, I'm going to go inside and pack the jars, and I'll meet you guys back out. Okay, so we got the peppers here. This is the first batch, and we're getting ready to put the brine in. We brought it up to a boil, so we're going to go ahead and put some of this in there. Leave it about ½ inch from the top. So we're gonna tap them. Make sure all the air bubbles are out.
That one's so pleasant, so.
Yeah. This one looks like it's ready.
Wait, there's still, it's like a seed right on this side. If it's on.
Hand tight. Just flip it around like this. Get the salt. Mixed around. And you put it up like that. Give that one a minute.
This is like perfect. Nowhere close to it. Oh, it's coming up.
Okay, we're gonna finish these up and I'll show you the after part, but the whole reason of flipping them is to dissolve the salt that's in there, the canning salt. And did you wipe the lid off? Wipe the rim off? And so this will be the first batch. I think I probably got 2 more batches if I have enough jars. I may have to go get some more jars tomorrow. But we're gonna go ahead and keep on filling these with the brine, and I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, got 2 batches done. I got enough in there, probably do 2.5 more batches, maybe 3, so I'll be way over what I had last year. That's it for canning, so I'll catch you guys on the next one.